Hello, I'm Niels from CoffeeCup, and in this short video, I'll show you how to track your time in CoffeeCup. This is where you'll find a weekly view of your time entries. You can quickly see what projects you are planned on by hovering over the top bar right here. To create a time entry, you can click the plus icon and enter it manually, or you can select a project directly from the top bar. As you can see here, the project I'm planned on is already selected, and I can now fill out the rest of the time entry. I can select a project. In this case, it's already selected. I can also select a specific task, a ticketing reference, write a description, and add a time duration. As you can see now, two time durations are being displayed. The top one represents the actual project time tracked, and the bottom one shows the billing time. There's usually two use cases for this. The first one is rounding up tracked time. So for instance, if 3 hours and 47 minutes are tracked, it can automatically round up to 4 hours for billing purposes. The second use case is, for example, if a senior team member completes a task in 3 hours, but you want to bill 4 hours due to their efficiency, you can easily make that adjustment as well. Employees would only see the project time, while project managers will have access to both. In the lower section, project managers can also view the remaining budget for the project, task, or reference depending on the project. The budget can be shown in monetary value, hours, or percentage, and there's also an option to let regular users see the remaining budget in hours or percentage, depending on your preference. If you want to track your work time, you can do it from this view as well, by selecting start and end times or reusing the times from the previous day. So this allows you to track both project and work time in one place and not having to constantly switch between multiple different tools, which is much more comfortable. After creating your time entries for the day, you can submit your day for approval, and a score will be given to your day depending on the timeliness of your submission and the approval status of your individual time entries, as you can see from past days. What this gamified approach does is it encourages employees to track their time accurately and promptly, rather than waiting until the end of the week or month, which ultimately improves project controlling and billing cycles. Of course, this feature is optional and can be switched on or off depending on your preferences. After your day is submitted, the project manager can review your entries in the project time approval view, where she can see the pending entries and review the details. The project manager can then look at the time entry, view the history log, modify some details like billing time, for example, and approve or reject the entry. For this example, I will reject the time entry and add a comment explaining why. Then the employee in question will see his time entry has been rejected, understand the reason, and make corrections. And after this is done, he can submit his day again and it can be approved by the project manager. Similar to this, team leads can approve or reject work times from the work time approval view. In here, team leads will see their team members and be able to approve or reject their work times either on a daily or weekly basis. That's it. Thank you for your time, and I hope the short video was helpful for you.